Hi, I'm therobbzipp, and I am in Waco, Texas, where every Saturday they have the Waco Downtown Farmers Market. So come along and join me, and let's have the most epic adventures! So every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. they have the, like I said, the Waco Downtown Farmers Market. We are in downtown Waco, right next to the old famous, I think it's McClellan House. We've got all kinds of food out here. I can smell it. It's actually a pretty good turnout. Got dogs and people lining up for food trucks. You can see the guys flipping the tortillas over there, frying up some goodies, cutting up the meat. Oh man, that smells so good. I'm kind of walking behind everything right here. We're lining up for this food truck with grilled cheese sandwiches and peanut butter, banana. Here's a nice line for the tacos. Handcrafted chocolates made in Waco. Some croissants, pastries, jams, some artwork. There's another coffee truck. Some juice. Oh my juice. Creamery, some ice cream. Lettuce, beef. It's what's for dinner.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know exactly.
Some more pastries, kinds of herbs, some rubs, some bags, pasture-raised meat. They have pork, chicken, beef, good stuff. Big dogs, scarves, some salsa, some tortilla chips. Another farm, a lot of farms. It is a farmer's market. Think of that. They have the merch table. Organic pecans. My parents have organic pecans in their backyard. And a lot of these places they do take the Lone Star card, which is like the food stamp card, and WIC. So that's awesome. Oh, we got a film crew here, a real film crew. All kinds of pickles. Dolly Parton's Imagination Library. She's reading the children's book to the kids. That is so awesome. Right in front of the pupusa stand. Oh my gosh, pupusas are so good. Chicken bone broth, some little plants. Got some Thai street food and dessert. They got some mango sticky rice. Waffles. Waco Waffle Company. You can smell the waffles back there. Let's see. So you're pressing the waffle iron. Tamales. Some cheese. Oh man, I love cheese. Brazos Valley Cheese Company. Made from raw cow milk. Wow. Very nice. Vegetables. Some eggs. Free range, pasture raised eggs. This is an excellent farmer's market. Like, it's legit farmer's market. Some seasonings. We've got some eggs as well. Some lavender things. Some local honey, which is always good. Buns, hamburger buns, veggie pot pies. Some more juices. More baked goods. Bakery. Some juices. quesadilla factory. Look at all these different kinds of quesadillas. This is fantastic. The guy chopping it up, making quesadilla magic. Some jerky, croissants and donuts and coffee. Got some kombucha, some pet treats, another coffee RV. Coffee and tea. And that's it. That's pretty much it. That's everything. Now let's see. What do we want to watch Rob eat? I just had free breakfast at the Holiday Inn Express. There's cinnamon rolls or something else, but I gotta get one thing here. What do you think I should get? Leave it in the comment below, and you're about to find out what it is I actually ate. So I actually just met Josue. Josue is a filmmaker that works for Baylor University, and I was like, oh, there's a pro film crew. He's actually carrying around a 12K video camera, which is silly, but he's here getting B-roll for Baylor University. They're building a new welcome center, and they're gonna have like an 8K or at least an 8K video wall there. So they sent him here to shoot some B-roll because this is one of the cool events here in Waco, and it is really a really great farmers market. Like, you legitimately have farmers at the farmers market. It's fantastic. I'll have to compare this to the Houston one when I get back. But Josue, welcome to my channel. What for subscribing. It was nice to meet you and pet your little dog. Now it's time to find something to eat. Again, I'm not super hungry. Let's see what you can watch. All right, what did you think I bought to eat? Well, I'm still not hungry because I had breakfast just a little while ago, which I should have woke up earlier, come here a little bit later. But I did get something. Can you guess what it was? Say so in the comments. I'll give you a little hint. The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Got a blackberry. It says cobbler, but it's a pie. It's a pie. I had a little conversation with the lady running the Just Peachy Bakery. These blackberries were grown in Fredericksburg and baked in Gerald, Texas. But I asked her what's the difference between a cobbler and a pie, and she said a cobbler has a topping on it. Maybe not a full topping. I don't know. She said it's a Texas thing, which I'm like, I've lived in Texas my entire life. I've never heard that. So even throughout different parts of Texas, you've got differences. But it's a smallish pie. It's not a tiny pie. I will eat this entire thing later tonight because I'm a big boy and I love me some blackberries. So this is for later. As for anything here, everything smells so good. Again, I should have had breakfast a little earlier, but this is something for you to know if you come to the Waco Farmers Market. So with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming with me to the Waco Farmers Market. If you're in Waco on a Saturday, I highly recommend coming here. Don't eat before because there's lots of great food here. Many places do take WIC and the Lone Star card. So if you have those and you need to use those, you can do that for places that have unprepared foods. So until next time, remember to drink water, listen to metal, like maybe Testament, enjoy nature. It's an okay day out here today, and have the most epic adventure.